In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to expand your font choices using Google's built-in library and apply those fonts to your slides with confidence. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on the slide's home screen, create a new file with a blank presentation. This gives us a clean workspace and makes it easy to see the font changes as we go. With your new slide open, click into any text box on the canvas. If you don't see one, insert a text box and type a few words you can use as a preview. Now look at the toolbar at the top and click the current font name to open the font menu. This menu shows a handful of default options, but we're going to add more. At the top of that menu, click More Fonts. This opens Google's font picker, which connects directly to the Google Fonts library. Here you can browse, search by name, or filter by categories like serif, sans serif, or handwriting, and even sort by popularity or date added. When you find something you like, click the font name to select it. You'll see it added to your list on the right, meaning it's now part of your available fonts in Slides. To get a better feel for a font, click on it to preview the sample text. You can type your own words into the preview field to see how it looks with your content. Select as many fonts as you need. There's no penalty for adding a few options so you can compare. When you're happy, click OK to close the font window. Back in your slide, click inside your text box and highlight the text you want to change. Highlighting is important. It ensures only the selected text switches to the new font. If nothing is highlighted, the font you choose will apply to what you type next, not what's already on the slide. Open the font menu again and choose the new font you just added. You should see the change immediately. If you don't spot your font right away, check the top of the list under Recent or reopen More Fonts to confirm it's selected. Fonts you add here follow your Google account, so they'll be available in other presentations too. That's it. Open Slides, start a blank deck, open the font menu, choose More Fonts, select the fonts you want, then highlight your text and apply the new style. Practice with a couple of fonts to find a look that fits your presentation's tone and stays readable on every slide.